My name is Ankara. I am from Grade 6 at KB School. Now I am presenting elements in periodic table. Elements are arranged in increasing order by the atomic number. What is atomic number? The number of protons present in the nucleus. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, sodium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, magnesium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, psyllium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, lithium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin. Thank you.